boy, do I have a treat for you guys today. You guys should already know what this is because of the logo, but we have a gift from Manos, the Metro backpack. I know you guys have seen this. I'm sorry I don't have the correct utensils to open it up, but scissors will do today. So let's get right into this video. Woo, here we go. Super excited. I have some other things in here that I can't show you guys just yet, by the way. This video is gonna only be for the backpack, so let's do this first. So here's one of the surprises, but you can't see it, so I'm gonna show you. And of course it has Manos on it, but I'm not gonna show you what it is. Wait till the next video. So here's what we've been looking for, and here it is. Here it is. This is a nice bag. Manos always has great bags that they put their products in. This is no different. So let me go ahead and get this open for you guys. All right. Anything else in here? All right. So I'm definitely going to keep this bag for sure. Check this beauty out. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. It's amazing what I see here. I absolutely love that Manos cares about the product that they put out and also their corporate responsibility and environment, the world. This is made out of vegan leather. This is the saddle tan colorway if you are questioning it. The feel of this, the look of this colorway took me. I mean, all the colors are nice, but this color was like, oh, I need it, please. Let me go ahead and open it up. So when you first look at this, you notice that it has two different sections. So it's two sections, guys. Keep that in mind. So you have this one big zipper, and then you have a main zipper as well. So I'm going to see what happens first. Let me look at the small one first. Let's go small first. Let's see what's inside the small zipper. So let me go ahead and open this up with you guys. So we have some paper, which is always good to see. We have a little note from Manos. So I'm gonna put the bag to the side really fast and see what this note says. This note says the Metro collection, designed in Canada, made for the world. Our Metro collection of backpacks and duffels is designed for everyday life on the move. With our unique QuickSnap modular system, the interchangeable pouch snaps off and on with ease. That's this thing right here, I'm pretty sure. Adapting to how you move through your day and ensuring you always have your essentials close at hand. So journey on wherever the day takes you. So first and foremost, looking here, this section right here seems kind of easy to me. I would more than likely put laptop in here. Something like that, laptop. It looks like to me like a laptop slot. I have some things pre-filled, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some things in here to show you how nice it fills up. So let me go ahead and get the MacBook in here, right inside. Perfect. Go ahead and zip it up. Typically with the MacBook, I kind of like to keep it separate from other things, just kind of keep it, on its own. I'm gonna look at the big side. So I'm gonna, as you can see when I open it up, it starts at the bottom. So that tells me that it may open up fully and go flat. Yes, it does. It goes flat. Oh my goodness. It went flat. I've never had a backpack that's went flat, so I love this. This is perfect. So I'm going to pre-fill some more things in here. So let's see. Look at all this space we have. We have a bunch of space. Probably going to put like a something else, another gadget, some charging stuff. Probably put some shoes here. You probably put some clothes here. You have more space with this zipper. This is pretty dope. And it depends on what you're doing. I'll probably use this for travel. So a lot of my travel equipment's going to go here, but you can use this for work. A lot of things like that, business meetings. So let me go ahead and pre-fill some things so I can show you how I can fill this up. So let me go ahead and put the MacBook in here first. iPad, MacBook, charger. Can't go anywhere without the charger, right? Can't do it. And I'm going to put some shoes over here. Just some casual shoes. Some water. Put that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and push this back up together and zipper this up. Let's see how much space I still have in here. Oh yeah, that's nice. And look how easy it is just to put it together. Seamlessly zipper back. Voila. Back to normal. Back to normal. And let's see how much space I have left. Oh man. Oh man, I have so much space left. You can really use this as like a quick, like let's say you're going to a hotel for one night type bag. Like you could definitely fit in your clothes and your deodorant, toothpaste. You can fit all of that inside of here. Now let's look at this, what they call a QuickSnap modular kit system. That's this little bad boy right here. And for it to have its own name, it must be very powerful. See a little button right here. I'm going to go ahead and yank it. Okay, yep. So little tab, I yanked it. Definitely just, oh, it's QuickSnap. Literally QuickSnap. Look how quick it just comes right off. Watch. Wow, came right off. Let's open this and see how it is. You can put more things inside of here. I think maybe for women, if you want to walk, if you're over a quick date and you don't want to have the whole thing, snap off, put your phone in here, wallet, ID, maybe some makeup, men, phone, charger, little gadgets inside, pen, pencil, things like that, things that we may need, some cash, and kind of use this as a to-go bag. I really like this, and it feels really, really good, really amazing. Now it's called QuickSnap, so let's see if it really does the QuickSnap technology. And it's back on. I'm sure you heard the snaps. It snapped back on. It's the bag for me. I like this. I like this a lot. I think it's the QuickSnap for me. The QuickSnap really got me. I mean, this bag is amazing within itself, but the QuickSnap took it to a whole new level. And I can't do this review without showing you guys how it looks on top of a luggage in the airport. So let's go to the airport. So guys, this is the bag. I hope you enjoyed the views of the bag, the airport, this view. Again, this is the Manos Metro backpack, available on our website. If you click down below on my referral link, you will definitely go ahead and check it out and all their products. So definitely click my link down below. They have a lot of great products. Luggage, they have the carry-ons, they have the checked luggage, they have different sizes of them, UVC lights to kind of kill germs. Now they're in the backpack world, the duffel bag world. It is amazing, the products they have. Click the link down below in the description, and it'll also be my pinned comment to check out all the amazing products they have. If you click the link and purchase something, I do get a commission from that, and it definitely help the channel out, but it will also support this great brand that really cares about the environment. So thanks guys so much for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts on this, and if you're going to be purchasing it, I will see you soon. Take care.